My name is Matiana, and today I am back with a new product that I found at Walmart and Target. These products are not new, but I feel like it's a new collection because this is my first time coming across these products. I found three of the products at Walmart. These three, I found them at Walmart, and the deep conditioner, I found it at Target. This product is by Garnier Fructis Curl Restoring Cocoa Butter Hair Treatment. I am a sucker for pretty packaging, so when I saw the chocolatey brown packet, I was really drawn to the product and I just decided to give it a try. My hair is about 1 week old. It's just that a lot of the time when I use a product, I don't always have time to do like the review right away, and I'm now just getting a chance, and my hair is now 1 week old. So without further wasting time, let's quickly jump into it. So I started my wash day with a deep conditioner. I wasn't trying to deep condition my hair and then shampoo my hair, but I use a deep conditioner because it also said pre-shampoo, deep conditioner, and then a mask. So you can use it as three things, and it said intense care, dry curly hair. I decided to use it as a pre-wash detangler. I wasn't using it as a pre-poo. I would say I was using it as a detangler, because if you've been watching my channel, I always use something to detangle my hair prior to washing it. Usually I use like a conditioner, either Suave conditioner or a VO5 conditioner, but since this already has the title pre-wash in it, so I decided to use it and detangle my hair. And I have to say I really love it as a detangler so far. And then after detangle my hair, when I went to wash it, it was like softening my hair. Like I felt like my hair was being conditioned. So I believe like it's okay for me to say that I really love this product as a pre-wash detangler and as a deep conditioner. And I love like this is such a big size, so I'm sure I can use this for a while before running out. I then proceeded with the cocoa, they're all called cocoa butter hair treatment. So I then proceeded with the Curl Restoring Cocoa Butter Hair Treatment Shampoo. So at first when I saw this, it was like in a clear color. And when I saw the clear color, at first I was like, oh shoot, this might be like a clarifying shampoo, because I'm so used to a lot of the clear colored shampoos being clarifying. But to my big surprise, it was a very moisturizing shampoo. So I first decided to go in with just a little amount, because a lot of the mistake I've been making in the past is when I'm using shampoo, I go like like so much, when a little bit could have done the same job as the great amount that I use, and it causes me to waste product. So I just went in, I did 2 shampoos with just a little bit each time. The first time it didn't set as much, of course, because you know it was breaking down the buildup and stuff, and I did a second wash, and with the second wash my hair still wasn't dry. Some shampoos, the first wash is okay, and then the second wash end up drying my hair. But I realized that the first wash and the second wash, with the first and second wash, the shampoo did not strip all the oils out of my hair. So I was very pleased with it. And then this is the rinse out conditioner, which I left in for just 5 minutes, because by the time I used a deep conditioner and the shampoo and I got to this, my hair was just very soft. So I did add this to my hair, and I proceeded by, you know, detangling my hair, because like with every step, every time I put some sort of conditioner in my hair, I try to detangle it as much as I can. And I realized that I didn't use too much of it. I remember I used to like just go crazy with a conditioner. I felt like I have to put 100 layers of conditioner in my hair to get in a certain way. But I have to say, the longer I'm wearing my natural hair, the longer I'm dealing with my natural hair, I'm getting a lot of experience for my hair, and I'm realizing that whether I use a gallon of conditioner or 1 wash day, or whether I use, you know, a great amount in my hands, I get the same results. So it has been causing me to like actually use my products for a longer time, to save money on products because I don't have to keep buying products all the time. So this was really good. It was a great detangler, and it did soften my hair, and I felt like my hair was moisturized. It was well conditioned because, and I say that because after that, the only other product I used on my hair was the leave-in conditioner. After I washed, conditioned my hair, I dried my hair with a microfiber towel, and I proceeded with the leave-in cream. It's called leave-in cream, and it says nourishes, defines, and control frizz. So I added this to my hair, and then I added a little bit of oil because this product is like the only other leave-in product they have from the line. And then I just basically braided my hair. I let it air dry, and I took it down. I have to say, I am pretty pleased with these products. I know people always saying that everybody always love every product, but this is not sponsored, okay? Nobody is sponsoring me. Nobody is paying me to do this. I brought all of these products with my own money from Walmart and Target, and I tried it, and I loved it. The only thing is the conditioner, it comes in this tube size, which I do love tube size packaging, but I felt like it doesn't have a lot of products in it, so I'm going to run out of this really quick. And the smell was consistent with all the products. It did have like the cocoa butter smell, but I can feel like it's a little bit artificial cocoa butter. It smells like natural and artificial. Of course, they have to artificially flavor these products because, to tell you the truth, these product never smells like, when you get it fresh off the tree, it never smells like what it smells in the packaging. All these products are like 96 to 98% naturally derived. You can do what you want with that information, but I never believe that, I never believe it. And I've never been the type of person to be product conscious on my channel, because I always say that before I go 100% natural on my hair, that's going to be after I have mastered how to put 100% natural food in my body. So I'm not going to be here telling people to put a 100% natural product in their hair while I myself haven't learned how to put that in my body. So the product does say, the leave-in conditioner does say it's supposed to be like a leave-in conditioner, a defining cream, and then anti-freeze treatment. And then it says it has no sulfate, no silicone, no paraben, no artificial colorant. So all of them have those claims at the back. And it also says it's sulfate. It also says it's suitable for color treated hair. So basically all what they're trying to say is anybody can use it. And this is my hair after a week. I'll show you the back. So the product is supposed to be light and not weight your hair, and to not have your hair be weighted down. So I think that's what I got, and it's been a week and I haven't had to add anything to my hair from wash day to this day. Every time I wake up after my scarf, I just, fluff it up a little bit and I am good to go. So this is it for this new product that I found and that I got very excited about. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Leave all questions and comments down below. Let me know if you have tried these products, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.